Making pizza dough in a stand mixer. A quick, easy pizza dough recipe and a great store cupboard recipe tutorial for you to learn. To make this pizza dough, I'm using my trusty KitchenAid mixer with the dough hook attached. For one large pizza, add 250 grams of Tipo Zero Italian flour. This is the best to use as it has a real silky texture. Then add 2 grams of dried yeast to one side of the bowl. Next, add 5 grams of salt to the other side of the bowl. Salt kills yeast, so it is best to keep them separate for now. Place in 5 grams of sugar and then 22 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Add 125 milliliters of lukewarm water and then begin to mix. Now you could still make this recipe and knead it by hand. Whether by hand or by mixer, I let it work for 10 minutes. I've speeded this section up a bit for you, but the dough mixture will come clean away from the bowl. Remove the pizza dough from the mixing bowl and add a little olive oil around the edge. This helps to stop the pizza dough sticking whilst it proves. Place the dough back into the bowl and cover tightly over the top with cling film. Let the dough prove in a warm but not hot place for 1 hour. Room temperature is ideal. After an hour, you can use the dough or place in the fridge until ready to cook. Preheat your oven to 220 to 230 degrees centigrade. I push out and lift my pizza dough to get it into shape. You could use a rolling pin, but it is not necessary. You can use a pan or a pizza stone. Today I will use my pizza pan and I've placed 1 tablespoon of semolina to it. This will give the base a real nice crunch. Place your pizza dough base on top, coaxing it into the pan if using. Next, add your toppings. Today I am keeping it simple with a tomato base, oregano, mozzarella, mushrooms, red onion, peppers, a little more oregano, fresh basil, a further drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and a real good grating of Parmesan cheese. Voila! It's ready to cook for about 13 minutes. Once ready, you can slice it up. I hate the traditional pizza slicers, which always go blunt. These pizza scissors are an absolute game changer. Full details are available in the description below on how you can get a pair. Do you know there are so many ways to enjoy this pizza dough recipe, which is easier than you think. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.